Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to plant and plot out a perfect garden, kind of an industrial sized garden. Got about an acre of land here that we got all kinds of different vegetables going. So the first thing we had to do obviously was chart it all out. A lot of work, a lot of mind power, a lot of thought, and then we used a great piece of equipment right here. Link for this will be in the description below. This is the earthquake tiller. It was for breaking new ground. It's kind of a beast to handle, but pretty good machine overall. It really did the job. Got a bunch of different tines right there that spin in reverse. So they spin towards the camera here, towards us. And then it's not self-propelled, so you really have to push it along. It was like 10 hours of being at the gym all day. It was a lot. And then here we've got each one staked out accordingly to what's been planted right there. And when planting, I'm going to do a little example. All we did was take the heel of our shoe and drag a row, and then the seeds go right in there. And if you look at your seed packets, spacing differs depending on the type of seed you have. So for example, we had cucumbers. Those were roughly about an inch or so. Beets, those were every inch right there. We had carrots, we had a lot of seed. Those we kind of sprinkled in heavily. Same with the lettuce and the spinach. Those were pretty much a few seeds, like probably every centimeter or every half an inch. Here is an example. And you see, according to the seed packet here, it said one every about 5 to 8 inches. So we just trickle them all down in there. Then of course we have a little bit of fertilizer that we're going to put in there, some granules. Link will be in the description below. It's some burpee fertilizer. And we sprinkle that in and then simply cover up the seed just like that. We got all kinds of pumpkins and gourds, everything going out there, onions, potatoes. You can see our rows and our walkways. And then we've got this handy little unit right here that link in the description again below. Pretty awesome. It's an orbit waterer. It claims it goes up to 80 feet around, so 40 feet in each direction. Hook it up to a hose, real simple, right there, and turn it on, and it showers all the way 360 degrees. So for this area, we'll probably need to get a few of them. So that is it. That is how to plant your garden.